Thanks for coming over. I didn't think this chair would have this many pieces.
Yeah, no worries. IKEA always looks simple until you open the box.
I know. Okay, here's the instruction booklet.
Right, so step 1, find piece A.
Is that this long one?
Let me see. Nope, that's C. A has this little notch on the side.
Oh, here. This one?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, cool. It says we attach this to the base.
Where's the base?
This heavy piece, I think.
Yeah, looks right. Hold it.
Got it.
Okay, I'm gonna line it up. Yeah,
Wait, is it supposed to click?
I think so. Give me a second.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Step 2. We need the screws labeled M4.
These tiny silver ones?
No, those are too small. The M4s are in this little plastic bag.
Found them. Here.
Thanks.
Do you need the screwdriver?
Yeah, can you grab it?
Here. Careful, the tip's kinda loose.
Yeah, I see it. It's fine.
Okay.
All right. Tightening this one.
Does it line up okay?
Yeah, it's fine. Just takes a second.
Cool.
Okay, step 3. Attach the legs.
These metal ones, right?
Yeah, they look straightforward.
You want me to hold it again?
Yeah, please, it keeps sliding.
All right, go ahead.
Okay, that's 1 and 2.
Nice. Does it stand?
Yeah, hey, not bad. It actually looks like a chair. Yeah, no worries. IKEA always looks simple until you open the box. Right, so step 1, find piece A. Let me see. Nope, that's C. A has this little notch on the side. Yeah, that's it. Where's the base? Yeah, it looks right. Hold it. Okay, I'm gonna line it up. Yeah. I think so. Give me a second. Step 2. We need the screws labeled M4. No, those are too small. The M4s are in this little plastic bag. Thanks. Yeah, can you grab it? Yeah, I see it. It's fine. All right. Tightening this one. Yeah, it's fine. Just takes a second. Okay, step 3. Attach the legs. Yeah, they look straightforward. Yeah, please, it keeps sliding. Okay, that's 1 and 2. Yeah, hey, not bad. It actually looks like a chair.
Thanks for coming over. I didn't think this chair would have this many pieces. I know. Okay, here's the instruction booklet. Is that this long one? Oh, here. This one? Okay, cool. It says we attach this to the base. This heavy piece, I think. Got it. Wait, is it supposed to click? Oh, okay. Nice. These tiny silver ones? Found them. Here. Do you need the screwdriver? Here. Careful, the tip's kinda loose. Okay. Does it line up okay? Cool. These metal ones, right? You want me to hold it again? All right, go ahead. Nice. Does it stand?